I don't think people understand how crucial it is to know about naloxone. Opioid overdoses can happen to anyone, anywhere. Knowing how to respond effectively can save a life. Today, we'll guide you through the proper use and safety procedures for administering naloxone, a life-saving medication that temporarily reverses the effects of opioid overdose. I'm Britt 13, and let's get started. First, recognize the signs of an opioid overdose. These include unresponsiveness or unconsciousness, slow, shallow, or stopped breathing, and blue or purple lips and fingernails. If you suspect an overdose, act quickly. Call 911 immediately. Next, prepare to administer naloxone. Naloxone is available in two forms: nasal spray, which is pre-packaged and easy to use, and injectable, which requires drawing the medication into a syringe. Always follow the instructions provided with your naloxone kit. For nasal spray, tilt the person's head back and insert the nozzle into one nostril. Press the plunger firmly to release the dose. For injectable naloxone, insert the needle into a muscle, such as the thigh or upper arm, and push the plunger to inject the medication. Naloxone typically takes effect within 2 to 5 minutes. If the person does not respond, administer a second dose after 2 to 3 minutes. After administering naloxone, monitor the person closely. If they start breathing, place them in the recovery position, on their side, with their head supported and top leg bent to prevent rolling. Stay with them until emergency services arrive. Remember, naloxone's effects are temporary. The person may need additional doses or medical attention. Naloxone works by binding to opioid receptors in the brain, displacing the opioids and reversing their effects. This restores normal breathing and consciousness. However, it may also cause withdrawal symptoms, such as agitation or nausea in individuals dependent on opioids. Naloxone is safe and effective. It cannot harm someone who has not taken opioids. Always keep a naloxone kit on hand if you or someone you know is at risk of an overdose. Remember, call 911 immediately in an overdose situation. Administer naloxone as directed. Stay with the person until help arrives. Together, we can save lives.